Here's how to manage devices on Amazon. To see all the devices that are connected to your Amazon account, you're going to want to go to your account settings. Inside of here, you're going to find a devices link. It's kind of buried inside all these blue links. I left a shortcut link in the description down below that will take you to the devices landing page. On here, you're going to see all of your connected devices as well as apps. So you see here a couple Fire TV or Fire TV Stick devices, and then I can click into them individually to see the serial number, to kind of adjust any settings and manage them there. You might see things like Amazon Alexa connected on here, etc. You will also see Amazon apps that are installed on devices. So whether you have Audible or Prime Video, and all these different services, and you can click onto those to then manage those as well. And so this is basically the devices landing page where you can manage all the content, devices, preferences, privacy settings, etc. Like I said, there's a shortcut link in the description that will take you right here. That's how you can manage devices on Amazon.